Hola chicas, chicos, me llamo Liam. Uh, uh, only gotten that far, but progress, progress.
Hill me sé gurbh é seo an fichen dá semana español.
Oh, really? That really means a lot. Really means a lot.
Go dé mar a táú.
To learn Jadis arm. So, my pussy and my cassack, no, my ta orm rifanya hirscher come with eskil. Ach, shach sin to me go bra, yeah. Vi mé an hospidéal an é agus vi translator on vi call mar éisteoir quite funny the whole thing agus you feel well odd, you don't really know, it's like going with your ma when you're 5 years of age, or for some of us buchel éireannach we went with our mother to the doctor for a long much longer time.
Rally much go fáil. Carol an hospidéal in San Sebastian.
No, be saying an choras sláinte go fáil go mai acu an seo. Tá si Samuel tá mé gcónaí chu rudí a gompreidtar nó agus an námaní tá rudí níos massa go páitiúil agus a dacail le codrudí tá codrudí a dacail le cogaíocht nó conflict tá rudí beidir mar a bheith an éar an 20 bliain ó hen nó 15 bliain ó hen sta sé chunda. Den ó híomh de cursaí ag námíochta nó ó híomh de cursaí sláinte agus serviceí phoblaí tá rudí níos fearr mar a bheith sta sé chunda 5 bliain go hen rudí mar sin ar a bhí rudí go mai.
Tá sí sama.
So that's the compreid. So to serviceí sláinte soccer go fáil go mai tá siad sin ag garan ggóil siad a géirí not níos massa but go níos mó bhrú orthú leis go bhfuil cod garúistír tosaithe beidir gur sin tús an fráise sin a taonnta brúnach because I could see it's much how it should have been at home. But so who much go best saying an bhála sin and I got
all much cup of tea and mudging
tea blasted sin. Tea blasted in those cups that do not allow it to cool down. Do not allow it to cool down. The cup and red berry tea again, is that right? After 2 days of drinking,
we can mint agam.
But they give us those wee cups with the crockery, the what do you call that substance cups are made from?
China. No.
China. No. Pottery. Aye, so one was a lid made of pottery, like a plate on top. So everything was roasting, and I was sitting there with this for about half an hour, and none of it had cooled down whatsoever. Either left half of it in the cup because I didn't with the was. But so being hospidéal sin Hockriha mar a bheith mar a fillte 20 bliain ó hen mar mar sin, bhí go fáil A&E acu agus bhí stabal go fáil surgeries in agus mar sin. Hard for méid céarna, I would say, agus but bhíon fergniamh príomhach hard for méid céarna. Níron aird sin mobile agus stuff mar sin, so níron talú you're basically not up being Ferguson first, which goes to shame mar felt and all those kinds of regional hospitals have all of that land and all of that infrastructure and just no money to no investment to keep the personnel there to keep it running. Like it's fucking what the fuck are we doing there in the 6th grade? Anyway, so just being to when you're in the curse shin, but the funny thing was fan active way agus an sin playing Bardic and goes chat and the girl Wachara, she says so I'm basically here as a translator, and she goes, oh wait, does he speak English? And she's like, yeah, okay, I think I can do this. What is wrong with you? Agus John Banaltra a gahi big delay listen COVID tests. So she's the first point of call. So she's wearing the hazmat suit and everything. It was so funny. Couldn't see her face, but just these eyes, and you see these bright, excited, hopeful eyes. Why are you here? And then waiting to see if she was right and if I could understand. And she was so delighted with the whole process. I felt like a real dick that could, chop it once. Like Hossie mistake Johnny English the Changa her dus, and I just felt like an idiot.
Shannon Doya a wahin tú le Changi bhí me se the power and gúin le sean ansin sa teachan seo agus just bhí me géirí cuara bonusach a dhéanaach just don na íhananta nar had jocolum sin a dhéana and I just what's it all for?
If you're feeling like that, dar Shilum Garisht Mila Kuikid Dinja Lin and Shak Chaiche. So be couple of Dinja Jagwalum a Kirkesh for Spanish Conan. To Conan go Homlan to Conan Bognak Omlan Lifa in Spanish. Mar Olamor a Hossie Gav Linohan Jirach Revan Jean Glasshead. Some people would give up over the Jean Glasshead. Yours truly, but Conan basically fluent. So if you're having those feelings, but in this tagamsa, Kajim or Wahi and Dini Goni Vidini Goni Ralom Dini Bejer Costa that Hennig and Tus. Dini a Janik Rangana again Karn no Bejer the Rangana Iha. So every time I try speaking, I feel so stupid.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Dini on that degan shan, Dini like shan rodden more is a mion. Dini nakro Wilmari Maragini fast and that degan shan.
Yeah, Neil and Coulter shan and shot.
Yeah.
So Neil and Coulter sin and Sean Origin ní bhéo mór dini agus ní bhéo mór dini cosal lumsan seo so tá si dina dini atá an teanga go Mhóir go hairithe níl si clachtaithe le dini gani an cinneal clú faoin Coulter nó faoin nósanna nó faoin fóriacht they gani erect film basically from scratch. So they're a wee bit like, hold on. No, that's not it. No, you're saying it completely wrong. No.
Better go off boom, just get the bug.
It's it. Like you're butchered a wee tiny bit, but if we hear somebody butchering, Kajim Mara Tuta, we'll be like, oh well done. I mean, like everybody, it's almost like we've all been trained as teachers. It's amazing. We know not to go in immediately with the negativity. We go in, that's really good, but it would be even better if you said it like this. You would think they all attended a PGC at Queen's, but but a Wallerton shot, I've been made fun of so many times.
Can Irishman get the bug? Raw la K2 ran han.
No, the routine is like what? I was trying to say this word. 10 minutes of discussion about what this idiot was trying to say. You were trying to say this. Skerrick. No, Liam, it's a skerrick. What the fuck? Clearly, I was trying to say thank you. I don't know. But yeah, so just tan, that culture, cool different. I and do I Jendini among I don't know. Chagwala the dini era no culture different, it's a different different muon. But to go back to the hospital, so we're sitting there chatting, waiting. The woman, the banaltra, calls us in. She's delighted to be speaking in English, and then we talk about my symptoms. We talk about possibility of COVID. She takes a COVID test. I had COVID. The COVID agams shack newhan. So because we're a miss a COVID test, so she didn't know one in there, and while she was waiting for the result, then we were waiting outside. Agus cú bombante déag fiche bombante sin hannig si amach agus glí si an kid then you eile So I was like, grand. It would be a bit strange she never said anything about it, but it must be grand. So but we miss it because all the symptoms that COVID would have, like so because Leonard Jada's flu-like symptoms, sore throat, grogginess, sore pains in your limbs, it was temperature, phlegm, all that there. So Cúig J Nation tagging a doctor agus doctors have a habit of looking real angry here all the time. And I walk in and he's like stands on the opposite side of the room via lava filter or shot. Agus he just said, sit there. I felt like I was in the barracks in Cainteoir or whatever, as I always used to say. Or was it Labhraítear they used to talk about? I can't remember. Saw Skeelty when I shot the G, but she's like, stand. Or sit down in the bed. My translator is like, oh fuck. She stands against the wall, I'm sitting on the bed, and I'm like, he starts talking in Spanish, rapid Spanish very quickly, and he's doing this here. Yeah. And the word positivo and COVID and corona is mentioned in us here. And then he looks at me and then he looks at her, and then she's like, and then she said something to him and he's like, no, and then he points to the nurse and then points to me, and then boom, the finger pointing and the aggressiveness, and I quickly get the feeling that I've come in here as a positive COVID case. But the woman looked directly past me and waved the other woman in. So Nara said, "Are you sure that he's got COVID? Because I think there's a miscommunication in here." And he's like, "What?" And then he storms out. Then he comes in and he's like, so you were from Ireland? That's great. That's great.
Go on, Irish.
Yeah, and then he loves me. So yeah. So quite fun. Aye. But so.
But we may go ra so tas of éisteoir fan na aithne and chatting too hard August gur
hold on, I'm gonna blow my nose and we can edit this out and then go back out there. Hold on. Maybe we'll just keep that in.
Better Cailleach Jackie mar piece of ASMR.
Yeah. White noise often helps people relax as well.
Éist le léabhran agus a gleason agus leg.
Can you go? Yes, you can white and cooler. Yep. Why am I disgusting?
Aye, mar bhí mé rá an takean tú hart bhí muid ag play na nainneaithe agus gáfraí ná góirí agus so máidín aniu dtír ar was go mé ag caithrí go dtí a seacht agus fé mé má lábh agus tin mé arcí mé fríd liste le nainneaithe a réist bhí mé géirí arc ar tag le feicáil go dé an fuam a bhí an neiscart dora tuig bhí an mar os ach le an ceinneol an tuig an ceinneol fuam sin ach but who mé isteach agus bhí mé ag léo faoi gáfra agus an rud a dúirt sé bhí sé scríte mar góirí ar bhí an góirí ar an dheisceart dora agus mar a luí tú bhí góirí McKenna an duine déarnach leis an aim ach tá sé scríte an sin gur chuir sé málacht ar gainear bí sa Cailleach saige gan an aim sinna úsáid agus de nusid siad an taim sin bheith an málacht orthú so níor ha dog duine bí é mar aim do duine sa chláán in dhé sin ach mar a tharla sé tháinig sé mar lás aim ar an Cailleach McKenna sin mar tá ásagan tá neart McKenna sa chainteoir so bhí siad de góiréis so bheith Martin góirí ná rud so tháinig sé arás cé bhí an fart góirí rú sé géirí an taim seo Lanston a ré tháinig sé arás mar lás aim an sin
chur gatainine sa ceantar an taim sin orthú.
So bhí mé
subversion, the best form of subversion.
So bhí mé fastracht ar scarbhí so chur mé teach ag ma áthair mar thar thula meise an lás aim góirí ar McKenna sa chainteoir agus dúirt sé bhí aithne aige ná bhíos aige faoi anna góirí a bhí ann agus thuil sé go minic a bhathair agus a chean bhathair ag luirt fan na góiris ach sílann sé inis go bhfuil siad a le marú but bhí sin samol le bhfuil gur phléimeid an taim sin teachan tú thart agus tá ag ma athair é.
Seo go minic nuair tá cineal córa seo an tharla seo Fanny tamil fadan ar a chosim sé ag croithart batsa don chéidir an bhaile clia. Luín rudigín latsa arú céis nó topic arú spéisial go man, never found the answer for it or the proof for it and so there. Luín tusa é le a ahar nó do wahar agus tá tradition, cineal tradition sin nó an cineal and cineal béalaidis sin Master Ledger le dá Cailleach go fóil. Okay, and they're like, oh yeah, I know that word. Oh yeah, my mom used to talk about that all the time. Oh, I know who that was. You know,
yeah,
the real living proof of it. So it's class that used to have that.
Yeah.
But we've come full circle. Full circle. It's amazing. I remember Niels Erlu to shin lumpsa fun Malak River. Or is that something that I read before, or am I thinking of a different name? I don't know.
Neil near Louis Mache Latsa Ravan.
I don't know. But I being you go and cash the card and more than your big of foils to counter. I'm all sogging your K hid Nagoris.
Well, that's your Neil Sogam near Herman cashed.
Slat Neil no Craig no Mahara no Fowley no King.
Neil my cancha.
Like to má cholca her that's going around to dissertation.
Yeah.
In Gaelic rin má cholca her achionsa an tower sin na last anim na in there a has go well last anim na mahara sla neil cantar sin carachtar agus vivralumsa and vintract sin ail coipt den over sin ail
vivralumsa leo foster
to come more stuff janta I gra scholarly in trio level the vintract is intach seminal intach specific our wife stagira agus New York for you know
Si fhoghlaimeoir. Yeah, tíobh.
Yeah. Like, and in a sense, once that it's important work because they've actually, it's a strange thing. There, stop, man. I don't know how many third, like, ordinary undergraduate dissertations would be studying something that was never done for the first time.
Okay, go Cudge War,
like properly. I mean, like, that's specific.
Yeah. But
and sin ibre na mar eber dá eber mar a dubber mar upper. On the track. Is that how your dissertation worked? Sin mar a upper dog dissertation? No.
Níl bhí sé ceanneal bunaithe ar rudaí practicúla. So bhí orm na plasticí defriúla seo a dhéanú agus an tensile strength a bhas agus rudaí den tuairt sin hána rud rá hamol a bhí an.
But the same time way go bhfuil cooler a defriúil agad sa.
Yeah.
You're specialized in two areas. Changaha, agus. I don't know what you're specialized in, Conan. I know you used to be a fire engineer, but I don't know what led to that. Chemical engineer.
Chemical engineering, sinné.
How does that lead to fire engineering? I don't know. But it's amazing.
Níl sagam go sé.
If you're the smartest man in Mahara, you're probably gonna be able to do that. Your friend is the smartest man in Ireland, so that helps. So. It's me. I'm the smartest man in Ireland.
Ag luirtear sin thula mé bhfuil gurú tú ag smaointe ar rudaí a hocail leat tú éil cancelled.
Oh yeah, okay. Is that the introduction? Can you do a better introduction? Go on.
Okay. Tháinig mé ar Twitter inné duine a bhí cancelled agus ní raibh cúisir bí leis agus ag smaointe. An bhfuil ar smaointe tusa ar gáir bí a hocail leat éil cancelled a rio.
No, Conan, near Swinny. I'll tell you who it was. Let me go get them in 2 seconds.
War the chun. Beige go chocolate smoochy or the sorting hat. Done it air Spotify nish or tell Liam a Cailleach the sorting hat with Hogwarts.
Yes. The Cailleach of Cancellation.
Cailleach of Cancellation. Oh my.
And the Cailleach of Cancellation. The very worst thing about cancellation was the gruel and the dementors. Anybody who has any taste in television, you'll know who I am making a tribute to. This particular program celebrated its 17th anniversary of its first airing in the US of A. I'm not going to say anymore. The true, all our fans can type in their answers to that riddle. What show am I paying homage to?
He must have grew like rap script and I was like, whoa, he's well prepared. Thought you were first in an impromptu rap session.
I was once. I did have a dalliance with rap in my mid-teens. I performed on the great stage of Mahororty, Cailleach of Mahororty, 2008, 2009. I formed a rap duo with myself and Big Nisha. Agus. We were well received that night.
Leanna led a Cailleach of Cancellations.
Yes. There are certain topics that we should never talk about. You're holding you the flay. Aha wine goals to get goal to goal and rud cart ara. However, what is the right thing to say to one person is very often the wrong thing to say to another. And in this intense period of polarization, I thought it best to share some topics with you that we should just avoid.
Tuair rent codú duna éisteoir.
Is seo a méarla, mar is a méarla a darlíonn an córa seo de gra nó an cancellation seo de gra, agus níl an ghéalaigh agamsa na teirmí seo. Má tá an ghéalaigh agatsa na teirmí seo curiad agam. Agus cur dá tuairmí agam an bhfuil mé rá alsa an ghéalaigh a chur lá muna.
Shit, I'm in Bardic seo.
Yes. But I have laryngitis, so I am excused. I'm gonna milk this. Bestiality. What's the big deal? I don't know, personally. But as the Cailleach of Cancellation, I have immunity on all these matters. If you put on a witch's hat, that's the trick is if you put a witch's hat, it's fine.
No, just Cuirtear bestiality. Sin rud nar cóir go mé taggart on no sweep onto a memory na rud. Tá seo go bheith gagrod a leún tú bé scíal agam faoi like, yes, I know a scíal faoi sin.
Mama used to.
But once again,
Christmas Day was always the same. Every morning we get up, we go to the barn.
But Scarby, sa scóil rastal tin pats na mahra hí rud on.
Hold on, Conor. You're just I should get it in this. Okay, go on.
Hí rud on ran siad an yearbook ceanneal rud da daoine a bhí ag fhoghlaimeoir na scóla.
Okay. And the patrician.
Yeah.
How clever of them. St. Pat's patrician.
Yeah.
St. Pat. Go on.
Agus bhí donna daoine a bhí ag fhoghlaimeoir bhí pitcher bog dat agus an sin bhí déis agad piece bog a scríal faoin fetcher like
Swinny intact and Kid Clarell just go treat and lursion. That's so much content. Yes.
Agus ach Scarby bhí ceann ma cairde ar scáil ní luhí mé a aim ach an smuoine a bhí aige ná
Tuair an do, but anyway, go on.
Bhí sé gceist aige scríal ar fá an teach bhí sé ag léo Deuteronomy agus sin ceann rudaí sa bhíbla tá inta aisteach. So first sé an part seo don Deuteronomy a ro scríte man shall not lie with animals and they all say amen. So
Repeto.
Man shall not lie with animals and they all say amen. So first sé an piece of seo de Deuteronomy agus bhil an dóid dhean tú quoting ar quote Biblia like Deuteronomy 56-52 agus scríal sé sin isteach don patrician faoin fetcher Deuteronomy 56-52. So there an and the head of year a bhí agan ag an am bhí ba winter arí so you're a honach sí seo dar nuai bhí sé ad lei sin leor agus dag sé suas go dé bhí gceist so fur ma cara scarch agus thug sé isteach sa teamra agus thosaigh sí ag tuairt amach dá go dé bhí gceist agus seo scríú sa patrician.
Who told you about us? Ken Winchor.
Ceanna a bhfuil grúig in orthaí agus an ní sin tá ban óg.
Fuck. Winchor óg le grúig fan.
Ní óg ag sin léid don aim.
Okay. Now we all know. The population of English monoglot speakers is relatively slim in ours.
Oh, Cork.
I must apologize. Conan's rudeness is just.
Denyehi, Ruben.
That's also on the list, Conan. That's the Shinner list. The Cailleach is putting that on the list.
Okay, Lan Raila ever door and that's oh Cailleach. Clastia.
And there will be backing music in the Spotify version. So make sure you listen to the Spotify version as well as boost our numbers on that platform. That's not the reason, but just for your own experience. Bestiality, what's the big deal? Labhraítear. Israel, we just can't go there. We just can't win.
Yeah.
If we want to make it big in Hollywood, we can't go there. If we want to marry a nice Jewish girl, we can't go there. And if we don't want to be poisoned, we can't go there. And I'm going to probably edit out the last 30 seconds.
Nee, just kind of bleep a mark and fuck. Bhí an Cailleach censored and sin go leisco.
And it's best also to
Ní heglam tú a Clenston.
The mentors.
Liam, ní heglam tú a Clenston.
And that's what happened in Vietnam.
And rúti ag lúirtin sin bhí sin an act. Mar hadjagalam tú a Clenston ag bhaid dementors agus that's what happened in Vietnam. Just bhí the gobig bugú mar seo agus hí me se he's letting on go bhfuil she censored. So all gur thuaimé ná dementors.
Well,
That's what happened.
MI5 have been tampering, haven't they?
Neil, then you're being Neil MI5 a Geary go Glenhy, then you're being Jade, they're too fat. MI5 dementors in Vietnam.
Better wrap this up quickly. The background music in the Spotify version will be going on too long. So Everett 3, trans athletes can't go there. Yes or no, we can't go there. Someone will hate us.
Jigglin.
Dick pics. Well, it's done this because we can no longer send them because it's now illegal. I just thought this was an interesting segment.
Random tú ag agus tú scríú seo. Cé cin mhór a bhí agus tú scríú agus tú ag soilú de tí an caiithí hat a Cailleach agus teanú seo.
No, honestly. 5 minutes before the program. And what's so good? No, the show, I suppose it's the stick to show.
Oh, let's the click there.
Neil, let's the great here. But their stormount, does she not meet Leah, which is good.
Oh, will she?
We fully endorse it and fully.
Do you might have consent of it?
If you have consent, but. Well, that's another topic conversation for another day. It'd be interesting. I'd just be like,
Snapchat.
Go trend this.
Snapchat. I have consent.
Here, Barney. Okay. Let's go. Nearly finished. Last one. Mild-mannered racism. Doesn't exist. All racism is racism. including interesting and intriguing foreign Halloween costumes. But neither yes, neither no.
Cos a láta ag gléasta suas mar fear ón Yarman ag an Carnival.
Well, héil gach duine go raibh mise gléasta suas mar éineach. So where does that leave me? I am a victim of racism, but I also perpetrated something on someone. So I'm so confused. And I'm supposed to be the authority on cancellation as the Cailleach. So.
It's a Cailleach of Cancellation. Cailleach of Cancellation chapter ash again cookie shit. It's more than Cailleach of Cancellation.
I've got to tell you, it takes hard work to think of these topics. So they cockish the e-arms. Samuel hug dinne gan roi dus a bit rave hanya the much kind we Cailleach hanya iha haina agus hanya carnivals agus stuff mar sin agus thirst in yigelum ortus can you sul macha no Becky toss a léirmheas Cailleach you're lad to that hin. That's a little racist. Agus Vishay hard to say. It's like certainly while bug Nafbo Kuni or Denya or B or cheer or B on really.
Yeah.
And you know fairly secluded. And they just think it's great crack to dress up as loads of other people. But maybe there is that sort of crack we used to get up to.
Yeah.
Then we realized
We're so modern in this.
Yes. Well, we are very different. I'm going to take off the hat because we're getting a bit more genuine now.
Yeah. Slán Cailleach. Ah, fancy seeing you here, Liam.
Wow. What an experience. If you do that, takes a lot out of me. Tashi inta tarori in Labhraítear though. Insofar as Tawad nismo Tamwij Clachtaithe le cultartha difriúla agus taithí cultartha difriúla agus taithí daoine difriúla inis bhealach nachrúmid Jake Minohan, Coog Jake Minohan, you know.
Yeah, gotcha.
Pretty good. It's just the way the world is, you know.
Yeah,
it's important. It's important. I don't know. I think it makes us better. Setting all that aside, I think it makes us better to know these things and to be self-aware of the implications of our actions and what we say. Yeah.
Sinné. Hey, well, tá agan le Lord faoi the Irish Bardic Poet.
Kenja, hiag le seo a bheith mar chuid den bonus episode a bheith ag sáú aginne gach céirín.
Tás ag Johnny an edit an then version.
They're only fans where we only wear the hat of Cailleach. Conan only wears his mop of hair, which is the only thing we want to see. Anyway, yes, Irish Bardic Poet Nairira.
Yeah.
In Jigla, why that's a say Vinny no Kershisi and Lauranchen.
Okay, so it's Lord
in our gutter.
So Louis Liam and Lord Shaw in an podcast by 3 seachtain ó agus hannig sé richten seachtain. So is Lord a hagan Kershis an cadru a bhí idir an talamh ná the Bardic Poet agus an Taoiseach an chláán. So sa sampla seo tá sí dírithe ochaí ó héasa níl sagam món slenne a gardan sin far ó hósa.
Well, in Merle, Hochasi, so Hossa,
Chása
Ochi Ochiosa,
ó cheasa féidir.
Ochiosa.
So far as fermanach a bhí ina ólamh dú den de clan bhegair. So just leorn sé fan cadrí seo agus inte mai agus scream she's couple of puncha hil me gurú inte samol. So agus he glad Lord Fuishan an é. So dus hí an cart egg an olive an laba a rent leis an rí. So
this comes with a warning from the Cailleach of Cancellation. I've been cancelled by people for this topic.
So Vishen run a heglen Lord Fee Shardag and so Vishen and Cartavi Ega Han and Doya smooching Mojanish air Conul wrench lab in Ladinyer Biak she and ye iha more in Enish Catlin veil Cartig Ache and lava a wrench le Tishach Vagair. Rodella fi sé Lord fin dói arú an olive agus an bishop Cailleach Gaelic bishop
Aspag
vi siad ceol an at Kierna hí an táhacht Kierna láfa agus dúirt siad gotí Danach Oliver Cromwell, a poet satire and excommunication were both regarded as equally bad. So veil drecht intact leis an satire on olives. De scrífid sé rudanteach mBascach fan rí the sin costal.
Dober sé an bailach eile fásta.
Yeah.
Veil olú agus ruí mar sin an Cuirtear agus táhachta. Yeah. Do cabé dinne be do patrin hien no fahanja tishach dúchasach a gorsen lat no near but yeah inte simil agus an rud a lean tíb here den táhacht agus an cuaic sin a bhí ag an olive in éanaach leis an aspag. Ag an am sin bhí éire ina go fáil inta paganach go háirithe ag level na díisi go háirí ag level an réaltas Gailleach. Bhí éire go fáil inta Gailleach begin rib Cromwell agus aici bíú Taoiseach de gra bhí olive aige agus cred siad go fáil ag gluicht an olive mar bhí an olive an mar teachta representative or ag an bangia the goddess Eru Era. The olive represented the goddess of Ireland, the goddess of the land, and whenever whenever in the inauguration ceremony and Ken Gaelic or inauguration coronu Chin focal Kenol Sassanach, but the focal is in Gaelic. When you did that ceremony, you were marrying the land.
Yeah,
you were marrying Ireland. Yeah. You were marrying the goddess of Ireland. So they were symbolically marrying the olive who stood in for the land.
Yeah,
who stood in for Ireland.
Bhí sé inta samol like an dói ar scrío an talamh le coscail rú sé actually pásta leis an rí. Bhí sé ag scrío an grábhí aige dá agus rudaí coscail le sin agus.
Oh, a chúchanacht. Well, while I'm tú a bheith an inach lom agus tú a wachu lom sa lava agus running mar sin, yeah. You know, beo should excreu filiact romansul hegya agus, you know, tadini on agus duine acu an agus deir siad gurú cod de seo like literal agus bhí cod agus intended duine an agus deir siad gurú cún siad hír da, you said you duine ar bhealach cinneal, I don't know, allegorical. They'll be saying, I want to have more land, or I want to have more cows, or you've been treating me, they would play the part of the mistreated lover, if they weren't getting enough attention, which meant, níl glór airgad agam, cén feadh nachbhfuil níos mó talamh agamsa, cén feadh nachbhfuil tú torch nerd seo cuachtú. But in Ammanay, there was kind of an overlap.
Yeah.
So in dói an orcan sínta Samuel nach bhfuil mar higlan orc ar star na hairn agus star na ngéal ar bhealach cinneal Puritan ón man éise ra ní róisi mar sin ar chóirbí bhí sé mBascacha ar an Cuirtear Cailleach agus an paginach Cailleach agus tríd sin, níú an notion seo níú notion seo níú na caidrih níú caidrih agus pásun is saoileacht agus a discins na daoine go héirithe an manachma agus an úsachma mar a vísa leanú. Agus go punte, I suppose, níor ahrisin an origin,
Yeah. Scríú me se písa tá sé le an murla scríú mé síos písa don dána bhí scrífa heige gotí ó dothirdaí an é seún a bhí Danny Curshís ar an náam a chaisiad le chéile an é seún. Hin me se bhí sé inta samh sú bhí sé ag Danny Curshís ar na rarcan a galanta an é seún agus na rudaí jazz ar rinsiad agus dúirt sé ar bhí siad mí ag marceacht. We used to see as far as Cuirtear and the borders of Ulster from the moist, sloping breasts of purple peaks. On that bombshell.
Wikipedia, current Wikipedia. Jan, you're not two Wikipedia searcher, hi.
Darn.
Research, Jan, these folks, I should have said up. Run with you. Couple of paper air also.
Okay, came me, I'm up.
Okay, yes.
Slán éisteoir.
Slán a chairde, stay tuned. Then check chugging.